Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about how to apply discounts to invoices in Wave. Offering discounts is a great way to incentivize customers, and here's how to apply them to your invoices. Now, in the invoice editor, under item details, what you want to do is to click add item, and then you're going to enter discount in the description field. Now you're going to choose whether you want to apply a percentage or a flat amount discount. Just enter the amount or percentage and Wave will adjust the invoice's total accordingly. Now if you wish to apply the discount to the entire invoice, you can also add it under the discount section on the invoice summary page. You can save invoice and then send that out, and the discount will be clearly displayed, helping to foster good relationships with your clients. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and click that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.